Yeah, our students now are grade 5 students. They're going to transition into a secondary school, and we expand on the skills of the IB learner profile. This PYP exhibition includes many of those skills, where we ask students to research a topic of their own choosing, giving student agency in what they do. Their ability to collaborate with each other. You can see in teams today presenting their project, going into that presentation skills, but truly it's the collaboration skills behind it and how we learn together that's going to be really important as we move into our secondary programme. And we're also going to go through a period of reflection after this. What we did well, where we could improve, what was our strength, what was our weakness. And those reflection skills are going to be incredibly important as we move into our secondary school.
I learned about my topic on food waste, my SDG goal, and I improved on all my ATL skills, especially my time management skills, as we had to keep on a strict schedule and we had a timetable that really helped. And I got to work with new friends. Thank you.
I've learned that when it comes to teamwork, that's really important, and you have to listen to your teammates. You have to cooperate. You have to find something that we all agree on. And then if they don't agree on it, then we have to compromise. I had to use my social skills, and my communication skills, and my research skills. There was a lot of research in the process.